Hi peeps, this is Tessa from Techie Stories. I thought that I would give you a little quick update about what I have been doing lately with Unreal Engine. So basically this is my test project where I tested all the assets, and if they are great then I just move them to my actual projects. What I wanted to test here was the fire assets and also the smoke assets. Also some leaves there, and then some sparkle effects, and I really love the plants and the big leaves. I'm going to test some sequencer next, and also working with some of the followers for the actor and see whether I'm able to create a new look for the skeleton. So let's see how it goes, but first I'm going to convert this to Unreal Engine 5 and see how it goes. So I probably do the next update about that conversion.